In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A16 and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. First of all, you need to launch settings and scroll to click on this section called security and privacy. Thanks to it, you can scroll all the way down and click on more privacy settings, where Permission Manager is located over here. Click on it and decide which option you want to manage. For example, I want to manage access to my contacts, so I have to click here. Select an app under one of those sections. In case of contacts, allowed or not allowed, and apply one of those, allow or don't allow. So when I do that and go back, I can start Chrome gained access to my contacts. But what I like to do is pick in any picture, looking for an app I'm interested in, clicking on it, and selecting See All Permissions in underlined text. This way I can manage all of those only for chosen app, the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!